name's Parker, and this is a Lego roller coaster. There's two loopy-loops, one straight up, then it goes onto this, and then it goes, and then it shows the pictures. It comes with a squirrel, a hot dog guy, where those guys are, and all these guys.
Let's open it up.
What's open on this side, bud? How many bags are there?
12.
Holy moly.
14.
14.
8. It's raining Lego bags. It's raining Lego bags.
15. Whoa.
It's raining Lego bags. The instructions are so small.
Whoa.
The instructions are so small. This is just a boring box filled with nothing. Or with more bags. Oh no.
Even more Legos.
Keep them coming.
There goes the
Oh,
instructions.
there's the instructions and stickers.
You're welcome.